Ngayong gabi, ang dalawa niyong bisita, sina Stephanie at si Maria, ay lalabas na ng aking bahay. Dahil kayo ang bumubuo ng welcome committee, nung sila ay dumating, inaatasan ko kayo na kayo na rin ang bumuo ng send-off committee.
Agad sinabi ng boys ang balita sa iba.
They're gonna live tonight. They're gonna live tonight. I was thinking about na isa-isa na tayo magbibigay sa kanila ng mga message one by one.
Maya-maya pa,
Got some bad news. It's your last night here in PBB house. One by one, everybody's gonna come up and say some things to all you guys. Yeah. We've had some weird experiences. We became a family officially when we ate fermented duck egg. So, yeah. So, love you guys.
Thank you, baby.
si Maymay hindi mapigil ang kanyang emosyon.
Honestly, I never understood you before, like English speaking. The first time I saw you, we were like friends for almost 10 years, like that.
Gusto mo talaga sila as a sister. Talagang ayaw mo na mawawala.
Oh, Mama mia. Oh, my.
I remember.
Oh, Dio. Oh, Dio. Oh, Santo Dio. Oh, Santo Dio.
When you know them and then you don't have them anymore, something is missing.
Oh, come on! 3 days, 3 nights! It's like we've known you forever.
Now you have our sister.
And I got to experience older sisters. I never got older sisters.
Now you have. I miss them so much. I really like them. I thought that my big sister we can only others. I never felt this way before. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Mommy.
Natutunan ko po na even though na nanggaling ka sa ibang culture or sa ibang bansa, na iba yung blood mo, hindi po yun yung basihan para magkaroon ka po ng kaibigan.
You're gonna grow up to be an amazing woman. You know, and you're so dedicated to what you want to do. You know that. I love you, girl.
At nang si Kisses na ang nagsalita,
I miss you so much. When we talk more, I realized that you were both really good people. No. So the most valuable person in the universe. Dave, for me, you're the winner. You know that, right? You won. You know that. You can always find home in other people.
nang siyong na ang magsasalita, ininterpret ito ni Christian para maintindihan ni na Steph at Maria.
Yung first ko yung nakita, hindi ko akalain na close tayo. Kasi lahat ng ibang bansa na sa Pilipino, ganyan, bilas na lumalapit, nahihiya. Pero kayo, hindi ko, kaya friendly, so, you dance. You close and be my best in English.
Baby. For me, you're the most you're so special. Because you always try.
Tanda mo, lahat po sila. Marami po akong natutunan. Alis po yung niya ko po kaya lumapit na po ako sa kanila. Hindi ko po sila nakakalimutan mo.
You're really special. Really special boy, you know that, right?
I love you, Mama Chup Chup. Miss you so much.
Everything.